The workhorse of war, introducing the T-72. The T-72 tank is a symbol of Soviet military might. It first appeared in the 1970s, designed to be simple and effective. It could be mass-produced, exported to many countries. It saw action worldwide. Its low profile and powerful gun made it formidable. The tank earned a reputation for ruggedness and reliability. The T-72 continues to prove its worth on the modern battlefield. A tale of two tanks, T-72 versus modern counterparts. The T-72 might seem outdated compared to modern tanks. Tanks like the T-14 Armata and the American Abrams boast advanced technology. However, the T-72 has key advantages. Firstly, the T-72 is much cheaper to produce. Russia can field a larger number of T-72s. This is important in a protracted conflict. Secondly, the T-72 is easier to maintain. Its simpler design requires less specialized training. The T-14 Armata, while sophisticated, has yet to see widespread deployment. This is partly due to its complexity and cost. The Abrams, while highly capable, requires significant logistical support. The T-72's simplicity is its strength in the Ukrainian theater. It may lack cutting-edge technology, but it remains a potent weapon. The T-72's enduring design continues to be relevant. Simplicity as strength, the T-72's enduring design. The T-72's design philosophy is centered around practicality. It prioritizes ease of production, operation, and maintenance. The tank's low profile gives it a smaller target. Its relatively lightweight enhances its mobility. This is crucial in the often confined battlefields of Ukraine. The T-72's 125mm smoothbore gun packs a serious punch. It can fire a variety of ammunition, including armor-piercing rounds. The tank's autoloader reduces the crew size to 3 and allows for a higher rate of fire. While the T-72's basic armor might not match the Abrams' protection, it can be upgraded with explosive reactive armor, or ERA. ERA detonates incoming projectiles, significantly reducing their effectiveness. The T-72's design allows for continuous upgrades, ensuring its relevance. The T-72's simplicity is one of its greatest strengths. Forged in fire. The T-72 on the Ukrainian battlefield. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has tested the T-72. It has faced anti-tank missiles, drones, and artillery. Despite these, the T-72 is resilient. Its mine-clearing capabilities are valuable. Equipped with rollers or plows, it clears paths. This is crucial for breaking defenses. T-72s have survived direct hits. Their ERA is effective. Its small size makes it a difficult target. Its mobility allows quick redeployment. The T-72 has exceeded expectations. It is tough to destroy. Keeping the legend alive, maintenance and manpower. The T-72's success in Ukraine can be attributed to two key factors. First, its ease of maintenance makes it well suited for prolonged combat. Second, the skill and experience of Russian tank crews play a crucial role in maximizing the T-72's effectiveness. The T-72's relatively simple design makes it easier to repair and maintain in the field. Spare parts are readily available. This is crucial in a high-intensity conflict where tanks are constantly being damaged. Russian tank crews have demonstrated a high level of skill and adaptability. The combination of a reliable machine and competent crews has proven to be a winning formula for Russia. The T-72's continued effectiveness in Ukraine is a testament to the importance of both technological and human factors in warfare. Maintaining a steady supply of trained crews is just as important as maintaining the tanks themselves. The T-72's legacy, a lasting impact on warfare. The T-72's story is far from over. Its performance in Ukraine has cemented its place as one of the most successful and enduring tanks ever built. Its influence on tank design is undeniable. The T-72 represents a philosophy of tank design that prioritizes practicality and effectiveness over complexity and cost. This approach has resonated with many nations and will likely continue to do so in the future. The T-72's story is a reminder that in warfare, quantity has a quality all its own. Even in the age of drones and hypersonic missiles, the tank remains a relevant and potent weapon. The T-72 will continue to shape the landscape of modern warfare for many years to come. Its legacy is a testament to the enduring power of simplicity. The T-72's impact on warfare is lasting and profound.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.